Southwest Airlines announced it will now carry the overdose reversal drug Narcan on flights. The move comes after a record number of drug overdose deaths nationwide.
Yeah, according to the Centers for Disease Control, more than 109,000 people died by overdose in 2022, and the majority of which involved opioids. So Denver 7's Veronica Acosta joins us this morning to explain how this implementation of Narcan will work for air travelers.
Well, Southwest is just the latest airline to carry the life-saving drug Narcan. American, United, and Delta are a few of the others that already carry the drug as part of their emergency medical kits. Now, this move by Southwest has been a long time coming. Back in 2018, the Association of Flight Attendants called on the FAA to require Narcan be part of their emergency kits. 2 years after that, the FAA said it would be worthwhile for airlines to consider having this drug on board. So we spoke with Transport Workers Union Local 556. That's a union that represents Southwest flight attendants. They say they were pivotal in bringing the nasal spray to planes.
There are only certain parts of the kit that we're allowed to use without guidance of some sort. The Narcan is one of those items that we would try to enlist the help of a medical professional on board the aircraft. And if all else fails and we could not secure one of those, then we could actually get permission to utilize that through our what we call Stat MD, which is a medical service provider that's available to us on the aircraft.
Colorado Congresswoman Brittany Pedersen is among those celebrating this change. She actually helped introduce legislation requiring Narcan be carried on all airplanes. That bill heads to committee next week. And in a statement, she said in part, quote, her mom would not be alive today without naloxone, and increasing access to this medication can help us combat the opioid crisis, which has already claimed more American lives than all world wars combined. Nicole, Brian.